Tanesha here. Today I'm back with a Target self-care haul. A little bit of hygiene and all that up in there and all that jazz. So if that's something you're interested in, then make sure you go ahead and stay tuned. Also, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. So it was that time of the month, so your girl had to go and pick up some of the good stuff. And the first thing that I picked up from Target for my self-care haul is going to be some tampons. I did pick up the Tampax Pearl, and I do pick up the it's the one that has like all three, so light, regular, and super. I only use tampons if I absolutely have to. I'm more of a pad girl, so I did also pick up the Always Infinity Flex Foam. This is a size 1. I'm definitely more so like a 2, but whatever, I was still able to use it. I like pads and I like the Flex Foam because it doesn't run outside of the pad, if you get what I mean, and it has the wings and it just feels really secure and I don't feel anything, and that's what I really like most about the Always Infinity Flex Foam. But I just feel like I feel better when my period just kind of flows out and I have less cramps that way. Your girl was cramping too, so I was like, okay, let me go ahead and pick up something for that. I do have Motrin, it's not in this video, but I really love me a good heating patch, and I picked this pack of heating patches up. It's by Rael, R-A-E-L, and it's called a heating patch for menstrual cramps with extra coverage. So it comes in this little box, and it is a 3-pack. And if you look on the back, it kind of shows you, how to use it. I did use one. I have 2 left, but this is what the pack looks like. So you can kind of just pop this in your purse. It's small. And it has the instructions on the back. So all you do is when you open it, you take it out and you peel like the sticker off of the piece. It's like a little, kind of almost like a little heart shape. And it's almost like a heart shape, and it sticks to your underwear. So, and then it gets warm. And I love it because I be wanting to take my heating pad with me on the go, and it's not like I could take it in a car and just plug it in. So this is super duper convenient. And FYI, girl, do not place this directly on your skin. Like, the sticky part, don't do that. While we're still talking about that, you guys know you need to carry the Down There wipes. So this is by Good Wipes. This is the Down There wipes. Super trendy, like everyone. Why is it so light? Everyone knows about these wipes. So you can definitely put it in your purse, your back pocket, if you don't like to carry a purse, a bag, whatever. I really like these because it helps you keep it a little fresh, because don't nobody want to be stinky down there, you know what I mean? Like, okay, so moving on to a little bit of like skincare. I like to take care of my skin because I do get breakouts. I feel like my skin gets really dry and crusty, especially in the winter and around my time of the month. So every time I go to Target, I do love to pick up the Neutrogena Hydro Boost face mask. I really like this because it's hydrating, and it does have like that slimy feeling like texture, but I really do like it. I put this on my face and I leave it on until I just feel like my skin has absorbed all the good hydrating moisture that it needs, and I remove it and I just rub the rest in, and I go ahead and I put on, my face cream. And I really like this because I do have sensitive skin and it does not break me out. And one pack is like $2. Like, you can't beat that with a stick at all. Really love this, and it's super duper affordable. So the next thing that I picked up was this cool turmeric mask stick, and at first I thought it was just like a turmeric shea butter kind of stick. I don't know, but it's by this brand called Cocoa Kind, and it's a vegan facial mask stick. So that's what made me pick it up also, because my skin can be extremely sensitive, and because it's vegan, I knew that all the ingredients would be natural and clean, and I really love that. So I wanted to give this a try. I haven't tried it yet, but I'm gonna update y'all if I really like it. And I know this is gonna be something that you have to use over time. Turmeric is also really good for dark spots and hyperpigmentation. So this is definitely maybe a go-to because I'm trying to clear my skin up and my dark spots before the summer, because girl, thing that I picked up, I didn't pick up any trendy hand soap this time. Girl, I just got the regular soft soap. Don't act like y'all ain't seen this soap before. This is the Soft Soap Milk and Honey. I love this soap. I do like the Method soaps and all those other smell good soaps, but every now and then I just want a regular hand soap, and there's nothing wrong with that. And this is only like $2. Next, let's get into some body moisturizers. So I did go ahead and pick up this Cantu Skin Therapy body lotion. They did have the coconut one. I like how that smelled. It smelled a little funny, and yes I do. I open it up in the store and I smell it. Don't act like I don't do that. But I did pick up the shea butter one. It's with cocoa butter, aloe, fruit extract, and vitamin C and E, nourishing, heals dry skin, clinically proven all-day moisture. And first of all, the bottle is what drew me to it. I was like, ooh, what's this? And it's pretty big. This is a 16-ounce bottle, and it was only $4.99. That's super duper affordable. Can't beat it with a stick. This is really, really moisturizing and hydrating. I actually like it, and I like the smell. Like, if you want to wear something where you, like, if you want to hydrate your skin, but you don't want, you know, any of your scented moisturizers, I feel like this is a really good alternative to that. And it smells nice. Like, it just smells really clean and nice. Like, it just smells like she takes care of her skin, she takes care of her body, you know what I mean? By EOS. So everybody has been raving about the vanilla one. I didn't want that one because I feel like I have enough vanilla scents. I have the Fenty, if you know you know, but I don't need any more vanilla. So I wanted to pick up the pomegranate raspberry. I'm not a fruity, super duper sweet kind of girl, but there's something about this one that it just smells like if I don't want to put on a perfume or anything, I would just throw this on it's just really good. It smells like pomegranate and raspberry, but it's not too tart. Like, it doesn't have like a really, really tart smell or sharp smell or anything like that. It's still very soft, so I really, really like that. And plus, the bottle is cute, duh. And I picked up the Poppy Watermelon Prebiotic Sodas. Now, this is what the cans look like. I picked up a few of these, and it says it's for a healthy gut, and you know, my stomach be acting a little crazy. I don't know about y'all, but she be acting a little crazy. So it's like, oh, let me try this. Normally, anything in the can, I always get the San Pellegrino. I'm gonna be honest, I don't like this. I bought it because I wanted to try it, and I didn't realize, I thought it was just like a flavored water, or flavored sparkling water. I don't know, but it does have like sugars in it. I don't like it. The bottle, the packaging got me, but I'm not about to lie to y'all, I don't like this. So if you don't already drink like flavored prebiotic soda water things, I wouldn't try it because I don't think you'll like it. Self-care to everyone is going to be different. Your hygiene routine is going to be different. Everything's going to be different. Self-care does not mean you have to go shopping and go and do this and that and get a facial and if that's what it is for you, then that's fine. But for me, self-care is just buying things that just makes me feel good and things that can help like just treat my body and just make me feel good and cozy, you know what I mean? So yeah, if any of those things sound like, you know, things that interest you, make sure you go ahead and subscribe to the channel because you're definitely going to be seeing a lot more of that from your girl. So yeah, and thank you so much. Until then, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.